Thanks for tuning in for another Enduro Engineering instructional video today. I'm Napper, and we're going to talk about the installation of our linkage guard. So obviously you're going to have to remove your skid plate from your dirt bike if it's already on there, or if you bought a brand new one, you can probably skip that step. So we're going to take skid plate, linkage guard, and finished product's going to look like this. We're going to go over the steps by doing that. Also, tools you're going to need. You're going to need a drill. I prefer using a ratchet and an 8mm socket for part of the installation. Also, you get your tool with your kit, the drill bit, 25/64 drill bit, and then your riv nuts and your hardware to bolt that up. Now we're going to go on to that process of drilling the holes in the skid plate and putting riv nuts on, and we'll show you how to do that. You're going to use your stock mounting hardware from the rear of the skid plate to lock down your template tool and installation tool like so. So now with the supplied 25/64 drill bit, we're gonna drill our first hole into the skid plate with the pilot of the larger hole of the installation tool. Okay, now we're gonna flip our tool over and drill the other hole. Now with both our holes drilled, we're going to flip the plate over like so. We're going to take one of our riv nuts and stick that through the hole. And now we're going to use our tool again. We're going to use a smaller of the two holes and use our 30mm long bolt with the washer attached. Screw that in there. Use one of your skid plate mounting bolts again. Tighten the tool against the riv nut. I like to use a ratchet, an 8mm socket. As you're tightening this down, you can see this crushing onto itself. We like to see about that much of a flare, and once you get about a good grip like that, you're done with this, and now you're going to take your installation tool and flip that around and do it to the other side. Again, the second one, all tight and ready to go. Now remove your tool, and you'll be done with this process. So as you can see, the mushroom of the two riv nuts, you're nice and flat against the surface of the skid plate. And when you go to put this on, you'll go ahead and put your skid plate on just the way as you took it off, get everything tightened, then you put your linkage guard, and it will look like so when you're finished. Okay, here's with our linkage guard all mounted up, ready to go. Again, you'll put this on last after putting the skid plate back onto your bike, and you'll be all set to go. Remember, don't forget to put your EE sticker wherever you'd like. You're all set to go rip some dirt. Thanks again for watching this instructional video from Enduro Engineering, and have a great day.